Good morning, equity guys. Welcome to Equity Guys pre-market video. I am Manjunath, NISM technical analyst. Let's discuss what happened in the market yesterday. So Nifty 50, 1% down, 263 points gap down. Nifty Bank 304% points down. Sensex 780 points down. So all three major indices closed in negative, huge negative. So data is bearish. India Volatility Index. Yesterday I was explaining about how much fear it will create when it is changes to positive. So India VIX is 6.53% change in positive. So the fear had been created. So the very market converted into tend to be bearish. Then Nifty we will discuss in the end, which will play important role today. Crude oil January future, which is less than 6,500 pre-COVID level standards. So now it is bullish. Then you can see some sell-off in Nifty Bs, Bank Bs, Gold Bs, Silver Bs. Everywhere there is some profit booking is happening because of the strong sell-off in the market. So Nifty 50, let's go to Nifty 50. So where it opened yesterday. So it opened about 26,100. Yesterday's pre-market view was very simple. First 15 minutes low is gone means taken down means it is sell on rallies continuous and 26,000 will strike at support. Then we have a gap zone, etc. I spoke. So yesterday first 15 minutes low is taken down. Then there is some recovery and it rejected from 26,100. So you can see a strong sell off which came and completed that gap zone which was there near 25,940, filled that gap and again it closed near S3 25,868. So data is completely bearish. You can see the in daily time frame it is the data is completely strong bearish candle. So I call this as a tend to be bearish. Let's go to sectoral wise data. Nifty IT is negative, Nifty Bank is negative, infrastructure is negative, water sector is negative, metal sector is negative, all data is negative. So where data is bearish, advanced decline ratio, decline is more, so bearishness. Nifty 50 for complete rate, 43 companies closed in negative, so bearish. Nifty Bank, 12 companies closed positive except IDFC, which is completely bearish again. The trend to be bearishness. We have to select 13 January 2026 Nifty uh, uh, option chain. In the money call option is selling, out of the money call option is selling, in the money put option is buying, out of the money put option is buying. Put buyers, call sellers tend to be bearish. PCR ratio, which is very important for the day, which is equal to zero point 0.5, almost point, which is called as oversold zone. See, this is oversold zone. Oversold zone means there will be a possibility that okay, some options will be bought in the towards bullish side, but we doesn't know. We will discuss in the end. Okay, now let's go to FID activity. In cash market, FIs are selling, DIs are buying. Huge selling by FIs, so data is bearish. F&O segment, index futures they are selling, stock futures also they are selling, so data is completely bearish. Let's go to global market. Global market is neutral, not much difference. But let's go to cash market, how it performed yesterday. Dow Jones performed positive yesterday. S&P 500 neutral, Nasdaq is negative, so data is neutral. DAX, European market, DAX is neutral, FTSE 100 neutral, CAC 40 neutral. So European market is also closed in negative, neutral range. Nikkei, currently it's running at gap up. It was doing higher high formation yesterday. It was down. Today it is recovering. So let's see how it will be. But positive data from Nikkei. Hang Seng yesterday it closed negative. Kospi it's negative. So except Nikkei, all the data is neutral to bearish. So I predict neutral to bearishness in the market today. So ADRs, HDFC ADR is negative, positive, ICICI negative, Infosys negative, Wipro negative, Dr. Reddy's Lab negative. So some FIS are not interested, are withdrawing their ADRs in these companies. So data is bearish. Based on that one, let's go to derivative market, how it will be today. So if you see today Nifty January future comparing with Nifty 50, yes, some bullishness is there in derivative future, but it's not huge. So data is bullish, but you can think like that. Okay, it's not huge like that. So Bank Nifty January future also, yes, it's more than Nifty Bank. So premium data. Gift Nifty, if you compare with the Nifty January future, you can see some 30 to 40 points of gap up. 30 to 40 points of gap up, but it's not huge gap up. So you can predict, okay, market where market will open today, everything. So based on that one, let's go to support and resistance, which are very, very important for the day. See, today, first resistance 26,133, which is huge, friends, which is huge from compared to yesterday's close. So, second resistance is 26,188, third resistance is 26,274. Support side 25,858 is for support, then we have 25,726, then we have 25,693. So investment of point of view, still the market had not come to overbought zone. So you have to wait till the market reaches its overbought zone for the investment point of view. You might see some gap down, or you might see some sell off. Okay, in the coming days. So you can have this as an opportunity to buy good quality stocks based on your research, not on any recommendations. That is the investment point of view. Intraday point of view is very, very simple. Sell on rallies continuous. Salon rallies continues. But remember one thing, this gap zone will act as magnet. At the same time, PCI ratio is in oversold zone. Oversold zone. So some recovery will come. Okay. So salon rallies in the beginning, then it will consolidate. Okay. So on such big red candle days, okay, the market will be like okay, it will consolidate for some time. Okay. And being on Friday, okay, it will be in range bound market, I predict. Okay, that's our view. Otherwise, if this gap zone is taken down, then it will go towards S2, which is important zone. So that's all our prediction is. So be careful. Salon rallies continues. If the market remains in range bound, trade your setups based on the range bound setup. Okay. With that one, thank you. All the best. Trade your setups. Thank you.